Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today we are vlogging. Yay! I finally decided to invest into a new vlogging camera, so hopefully the lighting and everything is a little top notch on this camera. So today's video is going to be finally a new Walmart haul. So a few months ago I did a sweater weather type of haul, and I bought a whole bunch of stuff from Walmart. So I haven't looked at their clothes in a while, and honestly I don't know what I'm looking for. I mainly just want to go and see what is up with Walmart, like what's new in the clothing section, what they have. Do they have any cute stuff? I live in Utah, like I've said a million times, and it's still really cold here, so I'm definitely still looking for like light cardigans, sweaters, sweaters like these that I can just throw on and just kind of go about my day. So that's what we're gonna do. It is kind of late in the afternoon. It is 4:53, but I've just been running around running some errands in the morning. So we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna see what we find. Hopefully we find some cute things. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, hola, my name is Karina. I hope you guys subscribe. I upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I do a little bit of everything. I do beauty videos, I do reviews, I do fashion a little bit, and hopefully some more vlogs coming to you soon. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's go to Walmart. Okay, so first thing I see right away is actually the sweater that I'm wearing right now, which is this one right here. Honestly, this is such a cozy sweater, and they have beige and black, they have hot pink and black, and then a soft baby pink and black. These are on clearance for $7. I would recommend for you to size up if you are planning on picking one up. I'm usually about a medium in clothes, and I think I bought this one in a medium, and it fits like a small, almost like an extra small, so it is a little fitting. If you want it fitting, then get it the size that you are, but if not, size up. But these are definitely a really good deal, definitely a steal, because for the quality, like, it's not bad. I've washed mine maybe about 3 times and I haven't experienced any of that little like crumbling or whatever you get on the sweater. So definitely a good deal for these cute sweaters for the colder weather. So these are new. These are actually pretty cute. Some of their stuff is kind of like juvenile, like this kind of things. Like, no offense to anybody that wears them, but I just personally wouldn't gravitate towards this one. I'd probably wear this one because hello Selena, queen forever. But this NASA one is like a neon green, and I would actually wear this one. So this one is $11.88. It is a juniors, if my camera can focus. $11.88, and this one would look super cute with just some black jeans and some sneakers, some Converse, some Vans, however you dress it. Well, if you dress it down, I think it will look super cute. I don't think I'm going to take this one. I'm going to keep looking to see what else I find, but they have tons of cute like graphic t-shirts. They also have this really pretty lip stick or lip type of shirt, which is really cute for Valentine's Day. I just noticed that they have these types of pants. I've actually been wanting some because these are not only comfortable, but they're so breathable, and these just look super cute with some high heels, and these actually make your booty look pretty cute. I don't have a butt, but I've tried some of these on and they're super cute. I'm kind of living for this cheetah print, a cute black t-shirt, like a basic v-neck, and some cute high heels, and this would be a look. They also have this, which not really into this one. They have this one, and then this like chain with a leopard. This one's kind of cute, but it's a little bougie. So let's see what else they have. They have this one. This one's actually really cute as well, and then they have just a basic black and white. These are super cute though. Like, I'm almost tempted to take one, but I just don't know what color. And I really want to take some of these because we are taking a trip to California in March, and I feel like for Cali weather, these are perfect. So I'm going to see which one I go for, but my heart is guiding me to this one. So let's see if we find a size medium. So this is a medium and it is a bell bottom. I am really short, so I definitely have to wear this one with like wedges. So I think I'm going to take this one, and these are only $7.88. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. This is definitely a good deal. These dresses are super cute. I've seen these at my local Rue 21 and they're like $25. These are super adorable, perfect for the summer weather. These are only $10.96. They have pink, black, beige, and this beautiful olive green. Oh my god, I would totally buy these, but honestly, like, I'm not confident enough in my body to wear a dress like this. So if you guys love these types of dresses, definitely snatch one up because they're super cute. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I live in sweatpants, leggings, anything that's comfy has my name written all over it. These are super cute. I don't think they have, no, they don't have my size. Actually, maybe these would fit me, but they look a little bit big. So these are, let's see, they're wind pants, I guess. They have this like super like, I don't know what to type, I don't know what kind of material it is, but these are stunning. These, you can actually wear them with high heels, like some pointed open-toed heels, or you can wear them down with some sneakers. If they had a size small, I would totally take these in the neon. They also have black, but I would want some neon ones. So these are super cute. They also have camo, which, hello, camo never goes out of style. These are just super cute, and I think they're high-waisted, which are perfect. They also have this really cute string at the bottom where you can just tie them and make them a little bit tighter around the ankle. I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated if I find these in a size small because I want these, and these are only $12.88. How cute are these? Cardigan alert. If you guys love cardigans, these are extremely cute, and these are actually perfect for the summer because they're knitted. So these are $16.96. They have this beige, they have black, and then they have this like multicolor. This literally reminds me of the 70s. And then they have this olive green. Now the ones over here are actually the ones that are super trending right now. These are like the teddy style. These are super adorable. They have black. This cream one is stunning, and they also have a baby pink. Honestly, I would take it, but I have so many cardigans that I don't even use, and I know that if I buy this, I'm not gonna buy it, or I'm not gonna use it. So I'm not gonna spend my money on something that I'm not gonna use. But if you guys love cardigans or have been looking for a good affordable one, this is definitely where it's at. These are so cute. Oh my god. I just spotted these new utility jackets. These are actually freaking cute. So another quick tip that I wanted to show you guys is, if you don't know how to style a jacket like this, Pinterest is going to be your BFF. So I just looked up how to style a utility jacket, and you literally get so much inspiration, so many ideas, and this is where I get tons of like my outfit inspos. So I think I'm gonna get this one in this like khaki color because it's just super cute, and you can dress it up or you can dress it down. Now these are $21.96, so they're a little bit on the pricier side, but honestly they're super cute. They cinch at the waist, which is perfect for making your waist look snatched. So I'm gonna get one in a size medium. So another steals and deals. Make sure they always check their clearance section because half of the time they have really cute sweaters. Right now they have these really pretty, I don't know my names on materials, okay? So just bear with me, but these are actually really cute. And even this one would actually look really pretty with the jacket that I just picked up. Yellow and black are one of my favorite colors. They have red, they have so many options, so definitely check your local Walmart because, like, look at this one. This is like a fuzzy sweater. Look at how stinking cute it is, and it has this really like puffy bubble sleeve, and again, you can just wear these in so many different styles. So let's see if we find one in my size. So extra small is not gonna work. Extra small. So they do have a medium, which I'm pretty sure a medium would fit me. So we're gonna take this one, and this one is on sale for $9. So we're gonna take this. Just throw it in the car. Okay, you guys, so outfit number 1 is the t-shirt that I ended up buying. I actually ended up switching this one for a different one. This one is from the No Boundaries brand, and I actually like this one so much better because of the material. It's not as like thick and like, I don't know, it's a little bit softer. So as you can tell, I paired up the black shirt with the pants. Like I said, I'm only 5 feet, so these are going to be super long. If you are taller than me, you might fit on them a little bit better than me. I am gonna have to have my mom fix them for me, because even if I wear these with high heels, which I am right now, like they still fit me super long. So I think these pants are adorable. Like, look at the print on the cheetah print or the leopard print. It is super, super cute. They're very stretchy, very form-fitting. I don't have hips or much of a butt, but these definitely give your body like an extra little like snatched look. So I just paired it with this long jacket. This jacket is actually from Ross. I bought it a while ago, but I think it looks very cute, and you can obviously just like dress it up and you are good to go. This is such a cute outfit for it was under like $15. The pants were $7, the shirt was $5. So I mean, it doesn't count because I already have the jean jacket, but oh my god, I am totally obsessed with this super affordable look. Alright, you guys, and this is outfit numero dos. So I ended up pairing up, and you could actually pair this up with darker jeans, but I think it looks pretty cute like as a contrast. So I'm just wearing these little booties that I got from Rue a while ago, but honestly, like any black booties work. These distressed denim jeans are from, pretty sure they're from Ross, and then I paired it up just like this. So this is like a really cute casual going out outfit. So here it is with the black v-neck that we tried on earlier. I just threw on this scarf that is actually from Walmart. Because it is mustard, it goes really well with the khaki or the camel colored jacket, and then I'm just wearing the same boots, and super casual but yet very chic, very cute, and super comfy and perfect for like the colder weather. And then this is what it looks like without the, I know my crotch looks so weird in these jeans, ignore it, but this is what it looks like without the what's it called, the scarf on. Oh my god, I just had a brain fart. I think it looks super cute, and I really like that it has these little strings that you can pull and just make it a little bit tighter. So definitely let me know what your favorite outfit was, but I'm kind of like digging this one. And that is it, you guys. Those are my outfits. I'm sorry that I couldn't find more, but you know, that is like, I guess, like the joys of shopping at Walmart. Sometimes you will find good stuff and sometimes you won't. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely keep doing these because Walmart always has good stuff, especially now. Like, even though I live in Utah and it is cold here till probably like May, it's still cold. So we might get some summer stuff soon, and I definitely want to shop before we go to California in March. So hopefully I can find some cute summer outfits, and if I do, I will again vlog it. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I'm gonna sit, edit this video, and watch Jurassic World and eat some cookies because I'm hungry. So I'll see you guys in my next video.